Understanding the phrase, all in tune, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a common but intriguing phrase, all in tune. This phrase can be a bit puzzling for learners, so we're going to explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use it confidently in your own conversations. All in tune is a phrase that's often used metaphorically. At its core, it means being in harmony or agreement. Originally from the world of music, where it refers to instruments being tuned to the same pitch, this phrase is now used in everyday language to describe a situation where everyone or everything is in sync and working together smoothly. Everyday conversation. In casual talk, you might hear someone say, "The team worked all in tune to finish the project." Here, it means everyone cooperated and worked well together. Business and professional settings. In a work environment, the phrase can be used to describe seamless teamwork or processes. For example, our departments need to be all in tune to achieve these goals. Literature and media. Writers and journalists might use it to describe a scenario where multiple elements come together harmoniously, like in a well-coordinated event or a movie where all elements mesh perfectly. It's important not to confuse all in tune with being skilled in music. It's a metaphorical phrase and doesn't literally refer to musical ability. Also, it's not about individual perfection but rather about collective harmony. Let's look at some sentences. 1. The orchestra was all in tune, creating a beautiful harmony. 2. During the crisis, the community acted all in tune to support each other. Try creating your own sentences using all in tune to see how it fits into different scenarios. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, all in tune. Remember, it's all about harmony and agreement, whether in music, conversation, or teamwork. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now more comfortable using this phrase in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.